In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make your scheduling life a whole lot easier. First, open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, which is typically found at the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your details to access your account. Now on the login page, you're going to enter your email address. Make sure you input the same email address that you used when you first signed up for Calendly to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email, click on the Continue button. Next, enter your password on the following screen and again click Continue. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a prompt to help you reset it, so don't worry too much if you can't recall it right away. Okay, once you've logged into your Calendly account, you'll be greeted by your home page. This is where all the magic happens. From here, look for the Integrations and Apps section. Clicking on this will bring you to a page full of various tools and apps that Calendly can integrate with. It's a pretty powerful feature that makes Calendly incredibly versatile. For our purposes, we'll be zeroing in on Google Calendar. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to another page with some detailed information about integrating Google Calendar with Calendly. You should see a Connect button somewhere on this page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to choose the Google account that you wish to integrate. Make sure you select the email address that's linked to the Google Calendar you want synced to Calendly. Simply select your email and you'll be guided through a few more steps to authorize this connection. Once you've chosen your email address, Google will ask you to confirm that you want to continue with this integration. Just hit the continue button to give the necessary permissions for Calendly to access your calendar. You might be wondering why give permissions. Well, this step is essential to ensure that Calendly can work harmoniously with your Google Calendar, automatically reflecting any appointments and ensuring there are no schedule conflicts. And there you have it. Your Calendly account is now successfully connected and synced with your Google Calendar. This means that any events you schedule using Calendly will automatically show up on your Google Calendar. It's a great way to streamline your planning and keep all your appointments organized in one convenient spot. With this setup complete, you're ready to make scheduling an absolute breeze. Thanks for watching and enjoy the benefits of a more organized schedule.